Hello, my dear family members. If you are preparing for Virtusa on campus, Virtusa Neural Hackathon, Virtusa Junior Data Scientist role, then this video is going to be very much helpful for you because here we are going to discuss about the latest questions which has been asked for Virtusa only. So you can get the similar type of questions. So just wait and watch this video till the end so that you can get similar type of questions. Okay, guys, one thing to note that the question I'm going to share with you, that question was asked on 2025 for second round for 2026 batch, and in this year there might not be the second round, but the same type of questions can be asked to you in the first round in power coding. Okay, so that's why that question will be very much important. So guys, please focus and try to solve this question by yourself first. If not possible, then only watch this video till the end. Okay,
Hey, you ready for the future? Tekno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
the question is, Amelia is working on a program that evaluates the strength of passwords based on specified criteria. She needs assistance in increasing a program to automate this process. Now, evaluation is based on the length of the password. If all the length of the password is less than equal to 3, classify it as a weak. If the length is between 4 and 7 characters, both inclusive, classify it as medium. Guys, please wait because this is not that easy you are thinking. If the length is 8 characters or more, classify it as strong. Okay, so these are the basic functionalities you have to add. But the second thing is most important, is create a file named password.txt. The entered password is written to a file password.txt. The program then reads the stored password from password.txt to determine the password strength based on its length. The evaluated password strength is written to a new file named evaluation.txt and displayed. So the basic task is, at first you have to create, at first you are taking the input from the user, right? Taking the input from the user. After getting the input, you have to push the input to a file called password.txt, which is present you have to create. So create the file password.txt and push the input, the password, to this file password.txt, and then fetch the password from password.txt and run your logic and check if this is a password or medium or strong password. After checking that, if it is strong, then push the status strong, then push this strong or weak or medium to the evaluation.txt file. Okay, after creating the evaluation.txt, you have to push the file to this, you have to push the strong or medium or weak status to this file. Okay, so this is the basic task you have to do. Let me just share the sample input output so that you can understand better. So let me share the sample input output. So this is the sample input, sample @pass. It's having more than equal to 8 characters, so that's why it's a strong password. And this is having only 4 to 7 characters, so that's why it's a medium password. And av this having less than equal to 3 characters, so that's why it's weak. Okay, so this is the thing I had to share with you guys. So let me share the answer with you. Just before that, I want you to have the best prime materials for Virtusa, which is available at internet. Just type topme.io/techno_uf. You will find all the round 2 coding questions, round 1 coding questions, mock test, MCQ for your technical rounds, interview experiences, and all the things you need to prepare for the upcoming rounds all are included, like essay writing and aptitude, email writing, etc. is also included. So these are the feedback of students provided below, you can see, and all are genuine. We have been ranking like in the top 10. So please go through the materials, which will be very much helpful for your upcoming drives. The link will be provided in the description box, in the comment sections. Okay, now as like we'll use file, so we have to handle the exception, right? So we can use try catch block as this like IO exception. This is, and you can say, unchecked exception, so that's why we can use try catch block. Okay, so at first the first step is write the password to password.txt, as we have already got the password from the user using scan. Okay, st.next line, so we have got the password from the user. Now we'll just push the password to password.txt. At first create the password, right? So using the file writer class, fw is equal to new file writer. This is the file, this is the class which will help us to create the file writer. Fw is equal to new file writer, and this is the file name which you have to create. Okay, and fw, this is the name, fw dot write password. So this password will be pushed to this file. Okay, fw, and we have to immediately close the file as well. Why? Because otherwise it will store some garbages. Okay, now the next step is we have to read the password back from the password.txt, and we have to check if this is a medium or weak or strong password using buffer reader. Br is equal to new buffer reader, and object of new file reader you have to write inside the buffer reader, as this is the arguments we have to use inside the buffer reader. Okay, class. Now file reader password.txt you have to write this way, so that it will match the criteria. Okay, now string stored password is equal to br.read line. In this string variable we are storing the password we had, the user had entered. Okay, the user had entered some password in the password, fetching that. So after initializing object of buffer reader class, we are getting the password from that file. Okay, so br.read line, so we are just reading the password written in the password.txt, and immediately we have to close the file, because otherwise it will store some garbages. Okay, now the next important task is determine the strength. So write your logic. The logic is, at first you have to declare the variable like string strength, and int length is equal to stored password dot length. Okay, so now at first check if length is less than equal to 3, then strength is equal to weak. Okay, and else if length is greater than equal to 4 and length is less than equal to 7, then strength is medium, else strength is strong. Okay, so why we have written, I hope you know, for string, this is the inbuilt method to get the length of a string. So I hope I don't have to discuss this anymore. Now the next step is write the result to evaluation.txt. So as of now I hope you are got to know about how to write a string inside a file. Okay, and how to create a file. Using the file writer class fw2, we can write, we can create the file. Like you can see evaluation.txt, inside the double quote we have to write that, and fw2.write strength. So strength which we have stored here, we have to just write that back to the evaluation.txt. Okay, now we have to immediately close the file as earlier. I hope you understood. Now the time to display that result we have stored in the evaluation.txt. Now just print the system.out.println strength. We got it right, and at the end if we could not face anything is not matching, anything syntax error, etc, etc, logic error, then we have to catch the exceptions like this. I hope you understand. Now let me just run the code and let me discuss the sample input and output. So for 3 to, so less than equal to 3, at first we have to check. So av at the rate, so for it is weak. Okay, and for password having more than equal to 4 to 7, let me just sample. Okay, pass, right? So it should be medium, because it's lying between 4 to 7. And if we are writing something, you can see the changes are being made in the password.txt file, evaluation.txt file. Okay, so password.txt, we have the password pass which has been entered by the user, and the result is medium, so that will also be fetched in the evaluation.txt. Okay, and let me just run another sample input that will be having more than 8 characters and strong. Okay, now the user input should be entered inside the password.txt, you can see, and the evaluation.txt should be also the updated one, strong. Okay, so I hope you got it, how to create the file and what type of questions they're asking and how to solve that as well. So guys, if you understood, then it's fine. If you don't understand, then please comment down which content you want, or which how to solve, and etc etc. I'll discuss in the comment section as well. And guys, at the end, if you have very lesser time to prepare, and as thousands of students are preparing through these materials, you can also prepare through that, and you can ask your friends to prepare it through it and get it together. Okay, that will be helpful for you. Now I hope you understand. Thank you for this.
Please subscribe to Tekno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.